Hey there, Mike Ish with MarineMax Maryland. Today I'm on a 2020 Scout 235. Start with the profile. You always have to talk about the profile in a Scout. We did this one in the black with the matching 300 horsepower black Mercury motor. This is Mercury's new V8, so naturally aspirated, lots of torque, lots of power, makes docking and maneuverability really great, and also gives you that little bit of extra oomph when you need to get over the big wave. First thing you're going to notice is when you're walking through the transom back here, really big swim platform. Lots of room if you want to enter or exit on either side of the boat. It's very, very simple, clean, easy to walk through here. 3-step stainless steel swim ladder, walk through transom. In the transom we do have the 4 rod holders all the way throughout the back with a nice live bait well over here. Also have your raw water washdown hookup back there as well. As you can see, we have the seat folded down, so if you're using this for a little more cruising family fun, you have the nice option for the seat. If you are going to fish it, you want the extra room in the cockpit, just lift it up, fold it out of the way. Yeti cooler, an absolute must. Tackle holder, a little bit of extra storage. 4 more rod holders and some cup holders, all integrated into the leaning post. As we move forward towards the helm, nice clean dash. You can have your basic toggle switches for the lights, navigation lights, raw water washdown, horn, really everything you need. Garmin display, can be integrated with your sonar, GPS, and a few other basic functions. Fusion stereo, Bluetooth, one of the best in the business, can't go wrong. We do have the Mercury vessel view screen on here as well, so you can read all your engine management information all right through there. Very, very easy, intuitive, simple to scroll through. DTS shifting, absolute must. Simple, easy to control the boat. Little unique feature to this one, flip down seats. So when you leave them alone, they're in the up position, fold it down, nice comfortable seat. Another great feature about the 235 is full windshield. 3-sided, really good enclosure, something you're not going to find on every 23-foot boat. So move along towards the bow. You see nice, deep, easy walkways. Flip up cleats all the way throughout. Stainless steel grab rail. And again, a really good place, especially if you're hanging out in the afternoon for the family. Large forward-facing seat, real deep down inside the boat, backrest throughout, and a great storage locker up here. Typical things you're going to find with a Scout, nice gasket material, struts to hold it open. Mike Ish with MarineMax Maryland. Follow us on Facebook, Instagram, YouTube. Give us a phone call. We'd love to show you what this one does on the water.